This is how you're going to enable debug mode in Hostinger. First, you're going to log into your H panel, and then you're going to head over to your website right here at the left side panel. Just click on that. And then from there, you're going to head over to File Manager. But first, you're going to have to make sure that you choose the web hosting that you want to enable debug mode in. You're going to click on the three dots right here and then click on Dashboard. Now from here, you're going to click on File Manager, open the wp-config.php file for editing in your public_HTML, and then you're going to insert the following line above the final comment. So it's like define wp_debug and then true. Just copy this code or this line into your final comment, and then after that you're just gonna click on save and then set true to false to disable it later. And that's it. That is how you're going to enable debug mode in Hostinger. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.